Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to start a successful faceless YouTube automation channel using AI tools in 2023. As you may know, YouTube automation has become increasingly popular in recent years, and if you want to stay ahead of the competition, you need to be equipped with the latest tools and strategies. Step 1. Niche research. The first step to starting a faceless YouTube automation channel is to choose a profitable niche. It's essential to pick a niche that you're passionate about, but also one that has high demand and a large audience. Start by doing some market research to identify potential niches. You can use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and SEMrush to find out what people are searching for on YouTube. Once you have identified your niche, Step 2. Find YouTube video topics. The second step is to create a list of video topics. This is where you will use your niche research to brainstorm content ideas. You can use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to help you identify the most popular topics and keywords related to your niche. Once you have your list of topics, start organizing them into a content calendar. Plan out what topics you will cover each week or month, and ensure that you have a good mix of evergreen and trending content. Step 3. Video script writing. Now that you have your topics and content calendar in place, it's time to start scripting your videos. Writing a script can be time-consuming, but AI tools like Jarvis.ai or Copy.ai can help you save time and create engaging scripts. With these AI tools, you can input your topic and keywords, and they will generate a script for you in a matter of minutes. You can then edit and personalize the script to make it your own. Step 4. Voiceover. Once you have your script, you can use a text-to-speech AI tool like Google Text-to-Speech or Amazon Polly to create a voiceover for your video. These tools can generate natural-sounding voices in different languages and accents. Alternatively, you can hire a professional voiceover artist to record your script. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork can connect you with talented voiceover artists at an affordable price. Step 5. Video creation. Now it's time to create your video. You can use AI tools like Lumen 5 or InVideo to create engaging and visually appealing videos without any prior video editing experience. These tools come with pre-designed templates and stock footage that you can use to create your video. You can also add text overlays, animations, and music to make your video more engaging. Step 6. Upload video. The final step is to upload your video on your YouTube channel. Before you upload, ensure that you have optimized your video for SEO by adding relevant tags, titles, and descriptions. Once your video is uploaded, promote it on your social media channels and engage with your audience through comments and likes. And final, automate your channel with AI tools. Now that you have created your first few videos, it's time to automate your channel using AI tools. There are many tools available that can help you with tasks such as scheduling your videos, managing your comments, and analyzing your data. Some popular tools include TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Hootsuite. Starting a faceless YouTube automation channel in 2023 may seem daunting, but with the right tools and strategies, you can create engaging content that attracts a large audience. Remember to do your niche research, plan your content, use AI tools for scripting and video creation, and optimize your videos for SEO. With persistence and consistency, you can build a successful YouTube automation channel in no time.